Want to learn how to download and sign up for a Roblox app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. The initial process of creating an account on a Roblox app is having the app itself. For that, go to your App Store or Play Store, just like me, and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here Roblox and search for this particular app. You can see that I have already installed it, so I do have an option of play on the top right corner. If you haven't installed it yet, you can tap on install, which you will get an option instead of play on the top right corner. You can go there and tap on install and download this app simultaneously. When you're done doing all, you can tap on play on the top right corner. So you can see that just by doing it, you're onto the first section of the Roblox app itself. Since we are trying to create an account and sign up for it, tap on sign up above login. You need to enter your birth date at first. Tap on birth date, choose the year that belongs to you, and then your birth date, and then your birth month. Tap on confirm birthday below. Tap on username and choose a suitable username for yourself. Tap on password and create a new password. You can see that your password must be of 8 characters long and it shouldn't match username, and it shouldn't be a simple password as well. Make sure to make it strong. When you're done doing it, you can even choose your gender, but it's quite optional. I'm gonna choose female. You can do if you want. When you're done doing all, tap on sign up below. You can see that just by doing it, I've successfully created an account, and that's on the top AlexaGirl57, that's a username. So this is how you do it. This is how you download and sign up for a Roblox app. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.